Racing early lead. It's taken by Divine Wisdom, Dart Sequence Cheerleader. And rushing up in between runners, Street Star, Danode inside Temptress. It's now Temptress, Divine Wisdom in between runners is Street Star alongside his cheerleader. Dico Akala in Dart Sequence, racing in 6 under, Father outside, Stay at Home Mom. And rounding the far turn, Temptress, cheerleader, Divine Wisdom, Street Star, Dico Akala in Dart Sequence joining them, and Stay at Home Mom as they race the last 500. Temptress, cheerleader, Dart Sequence on the outside, and Divine Wisdom down on the inside. Street Star in between runners as they race the last 200. Dart Sequence from the outside is Street Star in the middle. Divine Wisdom is Street Star is now the leader. Divine Wisdom down on the inside and nearing the finish line. The favorite number 6, the horse of Mr. Manny Santos. Second, Divine Wisdom. Dico Akala and close, Temptress, and Stay at Home Mom.